Sunday, March 21st. Dano's got a new guitar now. As of March 20th, 2010, yesterday, I found a new tune. I wish someone would have told me this 15 years ago that I could play the whole thing. Well, I couldn't before when I bought this thing. They told me the bottom piece was broke, so it was a 5-string instead of a 6-string. They didn't see me coming. That was just the way it was, but I got it all fixed yesterday. It's almost like I'm playing a whole new guitar. That was the problem before. Instead of playing 1 or 2 strings now, listen to this, you guys. I really amazed myself. Won't be long and I'll be playing songs like Smells Like Teen Spirit, Come As You Are, maybe Al Capone, I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. sloppy, but I can feel it coming. Give me another 5 more years, huh? I hope not. I hope not. I want to play now. Now, damn it, now. Not bad, though. It's a little sloppy, but that's what I've been working on here in the last few days. Instead of just playing the power chord, you know, in the top 2 strings like... Monkey sickness hurts my head. Monkey sickness makes me feel dead. Monkey sickness hurts my head. Monkey sickness makes me feel dead. Long road of sterilized gets me paralyzed till I'm nothing, turning into dust, feeling my body beginning to rust. Have enough of these slashes, had enough of these slashes, getting me down to a turn ashes. Got to find the damn cure. Gotta get it out, gotta get it out, gotta get it out, gotta get it out. Monkey sickness hurts my head. Monkey sickness makes me feel dead. Monkey sickness hurts my head. Monkey sickness makes me feel dead. That's why I need my cue cards over there, because I forget the lyrics. Can you imagine if I was into acting? I'd have to write cue cards on people's foreheads, on the trees, on cars, oh, on the sidewalks. No, I'd get charged with graffiti pretty soon, but that's why I like to have those pallet-sized cardboards for cue cards for my lyrics. And if I ever got into acting, I'd have to use them for my lines, because I would forget them too. Amazes me. I can remember things that happened, you know, 10, 15 years ago, but I can't remember my lyrics very well. It's almost like I have a long-term memory better than short-term memory. That's probably what happens in human nature in some cases. Well, I hope you like the new sound. It's a little sloppy, but it's just a sign of improvement, and that's what we want, is improvement. Have a good year, and we'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.